Listen to me.
Instantaneously, it
Listen.
happens on the
Listen to
spot,
me.
lickety split. Did you just burp? You disrespectful pig?
No, madam, I didn't. I am only trying to say once you log in into your online banking, we are going to go ahead and deposit the funds directly without asking any of your bank informations or any of your card informations.
You know,
You
I expect
whichever
that from a
account you want.
liar like you. Just
Okay,
burping
so
and not
try to
saying
go ahead and
excuse me.
try to. Madam, I didn't burp.
What happened to all the gentlemen in the world?
I didn't burp.
Well, it was money, yes. Disgusting.
Okay, so please try to go ahead and do not make this a very long process.